Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are discussing about two digital wallet apps, Dwolla and Skrill. The two prominent online payment platforms, each offering unique features. Here's a comparison of essential aspects to help users decide which is best for them. Account types. Dwolla offers two primary account types, personal and business. Personal accounts are for individual users to send and receive money, while business accounts offer advanced features like mass payments and enhanced security for companies with larger transaction volumes. Skrill provides personal accounts for individuals and business accounts for merchants. Personal accounts allow users to send and receive money, shop online, and manage funds. Business accounts offer payment processing solutions and tools for managing transactions. Funding methods. Dwolla primarily relies on bank transfers for funding accounts. Emphasizing security and low costs, this method is secure, but may limit flexibility for users preferring alternative funding options. Skrill offers a wider range of funding options, including credited debit cards, bank transfers, and local payment methods, providing users with greater flexibility and convenience, spending and withdrawing. Dwolla simplifies spending through bank transfers and enables instant withdrawals to linked bank accounts. Users can send money directly to other Dwolla users or transfer funds to their bank accounts, ensuring secure transactions. Skrill supports multiple spending options, including direct payments to merchants, transfers to other Skrill users, and prepaid Skrill cards. Withdrawals can be made to bank accounts, credited debit cards, or via a team is using the Skrill card, offering versatile options, sending and receiving money. Dwolla excels in providing a seamless and cost-effective way to send and receive money within the United States. The platform supports instant transfers between Dwolla users and offers low transaction fees, making it ideal for domestic transactions. Skrill offers international money transfer capabilities, supporting transactions in multiple currencies. Users can send and receive money globally with currency conversion options. However, fees for international transactions can be higher compared to domestic transfers. Fees. Dwolla maintains a straightforward fee structure, with low fees for transactions. Personal accounts often enjoy free transactions, while business accounts incur a small percentage fee per transaction. This transparent pricing makes Dwolla attractive for cost-conscious users. Skrill's fee structure varies depending on transaction type and funding method. While sending money to other Skrill users is often free, funding accounts with credit cards or making international transfers can incur higher fees. Users should review Skrill's fee schedule to understand potential costs, security, and accessibility. Dwolla's integration with the ACH network adds an extra layer of security for bank transfers. Skrill includes two-factor authentication and encryption, and its availability in numerous countries makes it a viable option for international users seeking a secure and reliable payment platform. Customer support. Dwolla offers customer support through email and online resources, such as fax and guides. Business account holders may receive priority support, ensuring prompt issue resolution. Skrill provides customer support via email, phone, and live chat. Their comprehensive support system ensures users have multiple avenues to seek assistance, enhancing the overall user experience. Target audience. Dwolla is ideal for users and businesses within the United States, seeking a low-cost, secure, and efficient way to handle bank transfers and domestic payments. Skrill caters to a broader, international audience, offering versatile funding and withdrawal options, as well as multi-currency support.